Hi, hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss JEE, MSET, BITSET type questions from limits and continuity. Let us have a discussion. The first question here. Let f from R to R be defined by f of x equal to alpha plus sine of step x by x if x is greater than 0, 2 if x is equal to 0, beta plus step of sin x minus x by x cube if x is less than 0, where step x denotes the integral part of x. If f is continuous at x is equal to 0, then beta minus alpha value equal to options minus 1, 1, 0 and 2. So, here condition is given f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. We know that f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Then we have limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to f of 0 is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. So that means right hand limit, left hand limit and f of 0 at x is equal to 0 function value we will calculate. So now step by step we will do that. Limit x tends to 0 plus means x is greater than 0. Here x is greater than 0, here function is there. F of 0 means at x is equal to 0 function value is there. X tends to 0 minus x is less than 0. So x is less than 0 also function is available. So these are the functions we are going to apply. Now limit x tends to 0, x tends to 0 plus, in place of f of x, the first function you have to write it, x is greater than 0 is there now. So alpha plus sine of step x by x, which is equal to, at x is equal to 0 function value is 2. F of 0 means at x is equal to 0, f of x value is 2. I hope everyone understand. Which is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x is less than 0. F of x value is beta plus sin x minus x by x cube. Now we will calculate limits. Limit x tends to 0 plus. X tends to 0 plus, that implies x is greater than 0. When x is greater than 0, the value of step x is equal to 0. So whenever step x is 0, sin step x value also 0 now. Sin 0, 0. So in this first limit x tends to 0 plus alpha plus sin step x by x value goes to be alpha plus, limit x tends to 0 plus alpha is alpha. In place of sin step x 0 by anything is 0. So alpha plus 0 which is equal to 2, which is equal to, here come to the concept of limit x tends to 0 minus. X tends to 0 minus, beta constant you can take outside. Limit x tends to 0 minus, and within the step function take that limit inside. Limit x tends to 0 minus sin x minus x divided by x cube. If you substitute x is equal to 0 directly, here what we are going to get it as alpha equal to 2 equal to beta plus x equal to 0, substitute indeterminate form will come. Whenever indeterminate form is there, we need to apply LH rule, L hospital rule. So within the step function, limit x tends to 0 minus, sin x derivative is cos x, minus x derivative is 1, x cube derivative is 3x square. So alpha equal to 2 equal to beta plus, here minus, if you take common, minus in the limit, here from the numerator I am taking common minus. Why means I will explain here. Minus, 3 also constant, you can take outside, minus 1 by 3. Limit extends to 0 minus 1 minus cos x divided by x square. We have formula as a standard result. Limit extends to 0 or a, 0 only. 1 minus cos ax by x square is equal to a square by 2. This is the standard limit. In this limit also we have, so a is equal to 1, no? So this limit value goes to be alpha is equal to 2 equal to beta plus minus 1 by 3 into this value 1 square by 2 by using this property. So alpha equal to 2 equal to beta plus minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Alpha equal to 2 equal to beta plus minus 1 by 6. 1 by 6 value is approximately 0.33. So step of 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 is there now. Step of minus 0.33. Step of minus 0.33, it is lies between, this is 0, this is minus 1. Minus 0.33 in between this. So step of minus 0 point something, it should be equal to minus 1. So alpha equal to 2 equal to beta, step of minus 1 by 6 value goes to be minus 1. They are asking to calculate the value of beta minus alpha. So equating these two. But beta minus alpha means directly you can equate these two only, no? Better. Alpha equal to beta minus 1. That implies that minus 1 we are taking into the LHS. So beta minus alpha, which is equal to beta minus alpha, which is equal to 1. They are not asking particularly alpha value, beta value. So beta minus alpha is equal to 1, which is there in the second option. I hope everyone understand, dear students. This is exclusively, I think, previous year's JA means bits at question it is. Once again I am scroll up. We'll move to the next question. If f of x equal to a square cos square x plus b square sin square x when x is less than or equal to 0, e power ax plus b when x is greater than 0. F of x is continuous. F of x is continuous at x is equal to 0, then the first option 2 into log mod a is equal to b. Second option 2 into log mod b, which is equal to e. Third option log a equal to 2 log mod b. The fourth option is equal to d. See here function is continuous at x is equal to 0 saying. Here. A is equal to B it is. Whenever function is continuous, we know that f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. F of x is continuous at x is equal to 0, then we have limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to f of 0 is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. X tends to 0 plus, this function you have to consider. X tends to 0 minus and f of 0, both functions we have to consider this only. Before that I am calculating here f of 0 value. X is less than or equal to 0. X is equal to 0, substitute in this, you will get f of 0. So x is equal to 0 substitute means a square into cos square 0, cos 0 value 1 plus b square into sin square 0, sin 0 is 0 now. So f of 0 value, it will become as a square plus 0. So f of 0 value is a square. So keep aside, this is we will use in the coming steps. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. 0 plus means x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0, function is e power ax plus b only, no? So here e power ax plus b, you can write it. And f of 0 value, we got it as a square, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus. X tends to 0 minus means x is less than 0, less than or equal to 0. So the function is a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Limit x tends to 0 minus a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. X is equal to 0 if we substitute. E power 0 plus b is equal to a square. X is equal to 0 if we substitute. A square into cos 0 1 plus b square into 0. So it will become e power b equal to a square plus 0. So ultimately e power b is equal to a square. Both a squares are same now. From this we need to get the relation. Whenever exponential terms are there, taking log on both sides. Sometimes in the competitive exams, like this way also they will give the options. Taking log on both sides, you will get log e power b is equal to log a square. So by properties of logarithm, log a power m equal to, this is log b to the base e only, log a power m equal to m into log a. So 2 into log a. So from the options, if you observe that, so log e power b, no? So it is not b. Log e power b, we can write it as b log e. Log e value is 1. So log e value is 1. So that implies that b is equal to. Why? Because all the logarithms are defining here natural logarithm. So b into log e value is 1 into 2 log a. In the options, if you observe that, b is equal to 2 log a. B is equal to 2 log mod a. It is there in the first option. Why it is given as mod means it is logarithms are defining only in the positive integers now. So that is the reason 2 log mod a equal to b, which is there in the first option. Just I will scroll down, complete answer once again. We will move to the next question. If f of x be a continuous function for all real values of x and satisfies x square plus x into f of x minus 2 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 3 f of x equal to 0 for all x belongs to R, then the value of f of root 3 is. So first the equation is given now, so that we can write it. From that you can get the value of f of x. So x square plus x into f of x minus 2 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 3 f of x equal to 0. X square plus x into f of x minus 2x plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 3 f of x equal to 0. Here what I am doing is, from these two terms f of x I am taking common. So f of x into x minus root 3, which is equal to the rest of the terms I am taking into the RHS. So minus 2x we can take into this side, plus 2x, and here minus 3 is there, that also I am taking into the this side. Yeah, here it is 2 root 3 it is. It's not 2 root 2, 2 root 3. Even here also. So minus 2x, we can take this at plus 2x. And x square, we can take this at minus x square. And 2 root 3 minus 3 also we are taking into this side. So it will becomes plus 3 minus 2 root 3. So here also root 3. So from here f of x is equal to 2x minus x square plus 3 minus 2 root 3 divided by x minus root 3. But we want f of root 3. In the question, f of root 3 they are asking. So f of root 3, that meaning is limit extends to root 3 f of x is equal to root 3. If we substitute, then it will become f of root 3. So f of x value we got it now here. So this is f of x value. Limit extends to root 3 f of x value 2x minus x square plus 3 minus 2 root 3 divided by x minus root 3. X is equal to root 3 if you substitute 2 root 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 2 root 3 by root 3 minus root 3. It is going to get indeterminate form. So whenever we are getting indeterminate form, by using L'Hospital rule, LH rule, so differentiation of numerator divided by differentiation of denominator and then apply limit. So 2x derivative is 2, d by dx of 2x is 2, minus d by dx of x square is 2x, d by dx of the constant term goes to be 0, d by dx of x minus root 3, x derivative is 1, minus root 3 derivative is 0. So now wherever x is there, replacing with root 3, x is equal to. So 2 minus 2 root 3. So 2 take common, 1 minus root 3, which is the required the value of f of root 3. So 2 into 1 minus root 3, which is the required answer. Once again I'll scroll down, complete question. Yeah, I hope everyone understand, dear students. Thank you all. Maths with Panindra.